Hey everyone! Is Pinterest refusing to connect to your Shopify store? You click the button but nothing happens. Or worse, you get stuck in a loop. Don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through real reasons why Pinterest might not be connecting to Shopify and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. So, if Pinterest isn't connecting to your Shopify store account, it's usually because of one of these issues. You're not logged into the right Pinterest business account, Shopify is blocking the app due to permission errors, your Pinterest tag or account isn't verified, your browser is interfering with the integration, or the Shopify Pinterest app wasn't installed correctly. First, head over to business.pinterest.com and make sure you're logged into a Pinterest business account, not a personal one. And if you haven't converted your account yet, click on Convert to Business in your settings on your personal account, and you also need a claimed website before that. Pinterest can connect with Shopify properly. Just go to Pinterest, navigate to Settings, navigate to Claimed Accounts, click on Add Website. Now, if Pinterest still won't connect, go back to your Shopify store, go to Settings, navigate to Apps and Sales Channels, and here you will see your Pinterest app appearing. Click on three-dot icon, click on Uninstall, remove the app, wait a few seconds, then go to Shopify App Store by clicking on this button. Then here, you'll have to simply search for Pinterest. Now, simply install Pinterest on your Shopify again, and that could instantly fix your problem. Now, sometimes the issue is with your browser. So you can simply navigate to three-dot icon at the top right, click on Settings, navigate to Privacy Search and Services, navigate to Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose What to Clear, choose Cookies and Other Site Data and click on Clear Now. So Shopify and Pinterest integrations are sensitive to browser settings, especially pop-up blockers and saved sessions. So make sure you clear browser cache. You can also double check your Pinterest tag. Simply go to Pinterest Ads Manager, navigate to Conversions, navigate to Tag Manager, look for your website and make sure that the tag is active. If it says inactive, Shopify may not be sending data correctly. You can also verify the tag by installing the Pinterest Tag Helper Chrome extension. Now, sometimes Pinterest is still listed under your sales channels, even if the app didn't connect properly. Simply remove your app, reinstall it, and that could instantly fix your problem. Now, if none of these steps work, what you'll have to simply do is open a new tab, type in help.pinterest.com, hit enter. Now, simply click on Contact Support button that you will see on this page. So you'll have to scroll at the bottom and click on Contact Us and choose the topic Shopping to explain that Shopify won't connect and they can manually review or unblock your account if needed. And there you go. By checking your Pinterest business account, reinstalling the app and adjusting Shopify settings, you can usually solve this issue in minutes. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Or if you're still facing trouble, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.